In primetime news this evening, in limbo, still no results in US presidential election. And assurance and division, Biden and Trump speak to their supporters. Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: are you surprised about how close the US presidential election has been?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.